In this video, we'll see how to use range.property to enter a value in a cell. So let's say if you want to add a value in cell A1, first of all, you need to specify the range. So it will be, and after that, you need to use dot value. So that's a property. So when you use dot value, it tells VBA to access that property. So after that, you need to specify the property. Let's say if you want to enter Excel champs, so it will be, so whenever you add a text, you need to wrap it with double quotation marks. So if I run this code, so it will enter that value into the cell A1. So let's say if you want to enter a number, so it will be, so with number you don't need to use double quotation marks. So when I use number, so when I run this code, so it will instantly enter that value into the cell A1. So now let's enter something else. Let me use date function. So it's a function which enters current date. So if I run this code, so it will instantly enter the current date into the cell A1. So let me try something else. Let's use a range of multiple cells. So if I use A1 to A5, and if I run this code now, so it will enter the value into the cell A1 to A5. So the idea is simple here. You need to specify the range, and then you need to use dot value property, and then you need to specify the value which you want to enter. So that's it for this time. I'll see you in the next video.